The ruler tool in Scanifly allows you to estimate lengths and measurements that can be saved for future reference. You can find it in the Layers menu on the left. Let's review some of the features that come with a polyline ruler tool. You can customize your rulers for visibility and differentiation. Multiple rulers can be saved, named, and viewed at once. Azimuth information can also be extracted from the ruler, telling you which direction it is heading in, as well as the perpendicular azimuths. Additionally, multiple lines can be created in one ruler, allowing you to go around corners or up a wall. In this example, you can see that the ruler tool is being used to estimate a conduit run, going from this array down the wall and then connecting to the inverter. You can also use the ruler tool to show module stringing, as you can see in this example. Finally, rulers will show in your CAD export, which also helps streamline your final design process even more.